Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to see Google search history. Friends, if you want to see your search made on google.com, then you simply need to open your web browser. I normally use Chrome browser. So after opening browser, you need to open google.com. In google.com, you need to press on these three dots and here press on settings. In settings you will find search history and you need to press on manage. Now here you will find all the searches made on google.com, all the searches made on different devices in which your same Google account is logged in. Like if I have made any search on computer with this email ID logged in, then I will able to see that search on my mobile also. So friends, here you will find all the searches you have made on google.com by different devices. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.